Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the thermodynamics evaluate yourself problem number 4. Okay, let us see the problem. Refer your book page number 209. When a mole of magnesium bromide is prepared from 1 mole of magnesium and 1 mole of liquid bromine, 524 kilojoule of energy is released. The first one, magnesium is present in solid state and bromine is present in liquid state. Here magnesium bromide is formed. So here del HF naught value is minus 524 kilojoule per mole. The heat of sublimation of magnesium metal is 148 kilojoule per mole. The heat of dissociation of bromine gas into atoms is 193 kilojoule per mole. The heat vaporization of liquid bromine is 31 kilojoule per mole. The first and second ionization energies of magnesium are IE1 is equal to 737.5 kilojoule per mole and IE2 that is equal to 1450.5 kilojoule per mole, and the electron affinity of bromine is minus 324.5 kilojoule per mole. Calculate the lattice energy of magnesium bromide. So here we use Born-Haber cycle. So here we calculate the lattice energy of magnesium bromide. Okay. So first one is given and then see the second one. So here the heat of sublimation of magnesium metal is 148 kilojoule per mole. So first we write sublimation. So here sublimation. So sublimation, magnesium solid is directly goes to, so sublimation means solid is directly going to vapor state, means that is sublimation. So here magnesium solid is directly going to magnesium vaporization, so that is gaseous states. Okay, so here the del H1 naught value is plus 148 kilojoule per mole. So plus 148 kilojoule per mole. And the next one, ionization. So ionization means magnesium gas. Ionization. So here magnesium gas is going to magnesium 2 plus 2 electron. Magnesium gas is going to magnesium 2 plus 2 electron. So this is for ionization. So here del H2 naught value is, so this is also gaseous form, del H2 naught value. So that is given in your question for ionization, 2188 kilojoule per mole. 2188 kilojoule per mole. Okay, and then next one, vaporization. So vaporization, bromine is liquid state that is converted into gaseous state. That is for vaporization. Bromine present in liquid state that is converted into bromine into gaseous state. So this is for vaporization. So here del H3 naught value is plus 31 kilojoule per mole. Del H3 naught value is plus 31 kilojoule per mole. And then dissociation. So here bromine gas is converted into 2 bromine gas. So bromine gas is converted into 2 times of Br gas. So this is for dissociation. So this is del H4 naught. So del H4 naught value is del H4 naught. So here the value is plus 193 kilojoule per mole. Plus 193 kilojoule per mole. And the next one is electron affinity. So here bromine plus electron gives bromide. So that is Br minus. So this is electron affinity. So here Br plus electron. Br present in gaseous state plus electron gives Br minus. So this is for electron affinity. So Br minus is gaseous state. So this is del H 5 naught. So here the value is del H 5 naught. So here the value for del H 5 naught is minus 324.5 kilojoule per mole. Minus 324.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, let us see the solution. Okay, let us see the diagram. Magnesium plus bromine gives magnesium bromide. So here del H1. So del H1 means that is a sublimation. Magnesium is converted into magnesium gas. And next one is del H2. So del H2. So del H2 means that is ionization. So here ionization means magnesium gas is converted into Mg2 plus ion. And next one is del H3. So that is vaporization. So del H3, bromine liquid is converted into gas. So that is vaporization. And next one del H4, dissociation. Bromine is dissociated and converted into 2 times of Br. And next one is electron affinity. So that is del H5. So bromine it is converted into 2 times of Br minus. And next one is U. So U value means Mg2 plus 2 bromine gives MgBr2. So now we find out del HF, that is equal to del H1 plus del H2 plus del H3 del H4 plus. Here del H5 number of moles 2 times is present. So here we take 2 times of del H5 plus U. So what is the value for del H1? The value for del H1 is equal to 148. And del H2 value is 2188. Del H3 value 31. Del H4 value 193. Del H5 value minus 324.5. So here 2 times is present. So 2 into minus 324.5 plus U. So U we don't know. So hereafter only we find out. Okay. So now apply these values in this formula. First del HF value, that is minus 524. And then del H1 value, del H1 148 plus del H2, that is 2188 plus del H3. Del H3 value is 31 plus del H4, that is 193 plus 2 into del H5. So 2 into del H5. So del H5 value is minus 324.5 plus U. U we don't know, hereafter only we find out. So minus 524. Simplify this one, we get 1911 plus U. We want U value only, so U is equal to minus 524 minus 1911. So simplify this one, we get U is equal to minus 2435 kilojoule per mole. So this is the final answer. So here the lattice energy of magnesium bromide is minus 2435 kilojoule per mole. So first we write sublimation, then ionization, and then vaporization and dissociation and electron affinity. So after that we draw the diagram. So first, as usual, sublimation only, and second one ionization, and third one vaporization, and fourth one dissociation. 2 times of bromine, it is converted into 2 times of Br minus and electron affinity. So del HF value is H1 plus del H2 plus del H3 plus del H4 plus 2 times of, because in dissociation 2 times of bromine is present, so 2 times of del H5 plus U. So we want lattice enthalpy, so U only we want. So first we know these values, so first we apply here. See, apply these values plus U and minus 524. So calculate this ones, add this these numbers, we get 1911 plus U. So U is equal to minus 524 minus 1911. So U is equal to minus 2435 kilojoule per mole. So magnesium bromide lattice enthalpies or lattice energy is minus 2435 kilojoule per mole. So that's our students. Thank you.